You want to learn how to make your own custom feeds on BlueSky Social. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. Like I've created these two feeds here. This one was created with Skyfeed and the upper one was created with BlueSky Feed Creator. Skyfeed is a little buggy and slow as users have reported on Reddit. BlueSky Feed Creator is much faster, but they also have pricing plan. This is completely free. BlueSky Feed Creator have all of these features available, and they also have a free plan. This Skyfeed, I have a video on my channel. You can check out the playlist in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own BlueSky feeds with the help of BlueSky Feed Creator. So let's sign up. It's going to ask you this, sign up, and then now once logged in, it will show this page probably where you need to connect to BlueSky. In the BlueSky handle, enter in the handle that you have on BlueSky Social. For me, I have my domain name set as the handle, which I'm going to enter here and connect to BlueSky. Now it's going to connect to BlueSky and it's going to show up in the settings as OAuth and connected. Once you have connected to the account, it's going to look like this, and then you can test connection to BlueSky, which is going to give you this notification which says BlueSky connection for handle is active. Now let's go to my feeds, and this is the feed that I've created. You can add a new feed. You can select a feed path here. For example, I will make it dogs, and for public information, you can add an avatar image on this. Choose a file, add an avatar image. Then you have title. You can type in the title, description, and the public description page. Now once done, we have capturing posts. Now inside capturing post, you can enter in the search term. So it could be a tag or terms. So it's going to search for those posts which have these tags and terms in it. And it's going to display it on your feed. So let's say, for example, I've typed in dogs here. If you want to include more, you can just type in comma and include the other ones as well. Below it, we have search for terms or tags and post, but require approval first. I've typed in fish. Any post with the tag fish is going to get into the approval list, and then you have to approve it or deny it. And below this, we have exclude terms, tags, or labels and post. You can do that. And in post languages, you can select the post language, all these other stuff. And once done, click on save. Now, if you scroll this to the bottom, you'll find these new options appear. Save and publish, permanently delete. And below this, we have feed views. So how many views there are on your feed, post captures, and average response times. These are analytics for your feed. Now below this, we have recent posts. So it says no recent posts, and visible in BlueSky. It's going to give you these. You can insert posts manually as well. You can select between these. The last one, this requires approval. It's going to capture those posts which has fish in it, and it's going to put it into the require approval page. You can block the user, deny it, or approve the post from here. So in all posts, it will gather all the posts which have dogs tag in it or the dogs search term. And now on the top right, it says listen for new post. You can disable this. Now it's not going to listen to new post on BlueSky. It's just going to keep these current posts. Now once you're done, you can save and publish this feed to your BlueSky Social account, or you can permanently delete it. I'm going to save and publish. Now if you scroll down, you'll find a new button which says unpublish. So you can unpublish this feed from your BlueSky Social account, or you can permanently delete this from your BlueSky Feed Creator. Now to confirm if this feed has been added on a BlueSky Social account, let's go to our profile on BlueSky Social, refresh this, go to feeds. Now we can see that our newly created feed has been added on our account. Now you can go inside it and check out all the posts that it has gathered, and you can like this feed, pin to home, which is going to add it on the right side. Or you can also remove this from my feeds, report feed, or share feed. And that is it. This is how to make your own custom feed on BlueSky Social. If this video helps solve your problem, let me know with a like and comment.